Hey everyone, this is Micro Mondays. In today's video, I want to show you a super simple way to save a lot of time when it comes to typing emails. Here I have some sample text that I might want to send to anyone who expresses interest in my Microsoft training services. I don't want to type it out every time, so I've typed it out just this once. I'll select it, go to the Insert ribbon, Quick Parts, and save selection to Quick Part Gallery. Give it a quick, short, easy name to remember. I'll call it Thanks, and click OK. Now the next time I want to send an email with that same text, I simply type the name of my quick part, it's not case sensitive, and hit the F3 key. Done. As you can see, the text formatting, and the paragraph layout have all come across. This is Micro Mondays. I'll see you next week.